So first, we'll start the board by going /start. Okay, we'll click into the main menu. And now, the first feature that we'd like to show you guys is our Get Latest Activity button. So this feature allows you to get the current latest activity that are in our database. So as of now, we only decided to show 3 activities. This is to prevent unnecessary spamming or flooding of the chat. Alright, the second feature that we'd like to show you guys is the filtering of activities. So filtering of activities allow you to filter activities based on your requirements. So as you can see here, after clicking on the find activity based on your requirements, it asks you to indicate your budget. So let's just say for this case, we have a budget of $50. Okay, so next it's asking you for the number of packs for the activity and up to 3 digits. So note that you also have the option to skip your input if let's just say you do not have an idea yet. So for this case, we'll click skip. Alright. Here it shows that there are no packs specified. Next is the location. So for location, right, it takes in both the address, landmarks, and also postal codes. So for this case, let's just say we'll key in Tiong Bahru. Okay, and there we go, successfully retrieved and display results. So as you can see, these are a couple of the activities near Tiong Bahru. And note that we also have the more button option here. This is to prevent like spamming of the chat. If let's say your results have like maybe 10 or more, like just way too many lah in general. So you can always click more to show the remaining results and more like this, right? Okay, so after getting our activities, the next feature that we'd like to show you guys is the create poll function. So we'll create the poll. So okay, now it will ask you to add the poll options that you wish to have in your poll. So the poll options will be indicated as such. Like example, number 6 is the trap escape room. Number 5 is southern regions. So let's just say we want to add option number 6, 3, 1, and 5. Okay. So as you can see here, it will show you the options that are currently selected into your poll. Okay, on top of that, we have also added some filtering to catch in the event that the user keys in a wrong option or such. Okay, so let's just say maybe when adding the poll option, the user keys in a string. So as you note, it will tell you that it's a wrong input, or it maybe let's just say the user keys in a wrong number or a poll option that is not in his poll list. It will inform you that option number 1000 is already, or if not, it's out of range. So same for remove poll. Okay, let's just say now I do not want option number 5. So I put in option number 5, and for some reason, maybe I thought there was also an option number 999. So it will tell you that option 999 is not in the list, and it will also remove number 5 automatically for you. Okay, so once we are ready, then we'll just click on Start Poll to start the poll. So as you can see here, there'll be your first option, which is Tiong Bahru, Playground, KTV World, and Trap Escape Room. So let's just say we'll vote here and vote. Okay, so once the poll has concluded, okay, maybe let's just say after everybody in your group has polled, you can either get route, which is get route to your top chosen activity, start another poll in the event that let's say there's a tie or for whatever reason you wish to repoll, or you can just cancel to head back to the main menu. Okay, so for this case now we'll show you the get route option. So let's just say get route. Alright, so now it will tell you to enter the top chosen activities index. So of course, I mean, yeah, you could always key in the wrong index for that, but then then you wouldn't get the route to to the activity that you desire. So for this case, we'll be going to option number 2. Number 2, which is the Party World KTV. So okay, so now it will tell you the top chosen activity is to the Party World KTV. So let's just click on get route. So as you can see, it will send you back to your own private chat. So any user that clicks it will send it to his or her own private chat, and from there you guys are able to have your own specific routes to there. Okay, so we'll do it by click start here. Okay, now it'll tell you to select a method to provide your location. So okay, either you can manually enter the address, which is the same as before, which is either it will accept like it will accept postal codes, addresses, and landmarks, or you can use your current location. So let's just say for this case, I want to use my current location, right? So I will use my phone to set in my current location. So use current location, and it will prompt me. So okay, I'm actually currently on my phone, but I'm recording on my PC, so you guys can't really see it. So, but in this case, I will send my current location here, which is around this area. So see, go to Mount Faber Club. So by clicking on this, open, and it will send you to the Google Maps with the route to your destination. Alright, so The next feature that we'd like to show you guys is suggesting a new activity. So let's say, right, you guys happen to find a new activity that is not in the list or that you guys feel like should be in the database, you can always click on suggest a new activity. So how it goes is that after clicking the button, it will tell you to enter the name of the activity. So let's just say we'll call this activity ABC. Okay. Enter the address of the activity, or if let's just say you are unsure of your current location. So for this case, we'll just say ABC road. Note that, right, for all these inputs, it is not filtered, so to speak, because, well, there can be any number of addresses or names and such. Okay, so that would be our address, and the cost of the activity, once again, is also nil if you're not known, so let's just say $50, and a short description. So ABC activity is amazing. All right, so enter the minimum packs. So let's just say it's 1. Maximum packs is 20. Enter the web page is www.abc.com. So as you can see, after you finish, it will show you your like a summary of your activity which you have suggested. So it's activity name ABC Road. So of course you have the option to confirm, which would submit the activity to our database for us to review, or cancel, to just cancel this request altogether. So we'll just click confirm, and it'll tell you your suggestion has been submitted, and it will end now. Alright, the next feature that we'd like to show you guys is the edit search radius feature. So this edit search radius controls the radius of which your search location will be. So like example, you can say 2 km, 5 km, or 10 km. So that would be like a sort of like, you can imagine a circle around the address that you specify, like as to how far, how wide do you want the search radius to be. So any activities within this search radius will return back in your search result. So okay, so let's just say, to show you guys a compare and contrast, we'll select 2 km for now, the smallest that we have. So okay, I'll choose to find an activity. So for this case, I want to get like as many activities as I want, right? So I'll just skip the budget, skip the packs. And for location, let's just put it somewhere far away. Let's say Pulau Ubin. Alright. So okay, query successful. So okay, as you can see, Pulau Ubin only has one activity within 2 km of itself, which is Pulau Ubin. Okay, so now to show you a comparison, we'll head back to the menu, we'll edit the search radius, and now we're going back up to 5 km. Okay, as you can see, it's been updated. We'll find again, so the same thing, right? We'll do the skip budget, skip packs, and Pulau Ubin. So all the search parameters are the same, but now if you realize, there are more activities in our search results. This is because we increase the search radius. So okay, we also have Changi Broadwalk, Pasir Ris Beach, Tayo Station. What else do we have? And yeah, these are the activities that you can see just by changing our search radius. Okay, so let's continue. The next feature that we'd like to show you guys is the exit function. Okay, so by default, right, the bot is actually constantly running in the background. Okay, it's always listening to the chat. So this would cause the issue whereby if let's just say you want to talk to your friends, hello, it will tell you that a wrong input has been entered, because why? It catches the string as thinking it's expecting the next command. So we have included this function to exit from the bot totally. Once you exit here, okay, it will show that, yeah, it's been closed, and you can type as per normal. And the bot does not respond. If you wish to call the bot again, you can just go by doing/start. This will make all your users' lives much easier. Alright, and the last functionality that we'd like to show you guys is whereby the bot will only listen to the user who called the bot first. So let me just show you guys. Let me just exit. Okay, I've got my other team member in this group chat as well. So let's say now I will be the one starting the bot, alright? So I'll type /start, and now I'm the one in control. So as you can see, if I type something, it picks up my input. So let's just get my friend to respond around. So as you can see, it's all responding to my input, right? And if my other team member types in something, it does not pick up this input. So this is to prevent like unintentionally sending the wrong details to the bot, or the wrong command to the bot.